Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 4, Orbit College 1. I'm joined by Ratu.
Yebo, Steve. Let's relax today. Uyazini kusasa. uRamaphosa usinikeza iholiday kusasa. Nesivenda rikovuwa rolala. Ngachizulu siyovuka silele. Kasizulu rotukari robeti. Africans on. Batafana slap. We will wake up and sleep tomorrow. Let me tell you, Chiefs is an automatic motivator. Yes. By the time Umodi as tribula na player tribula na goalkeeper Sanyamazed. Yeah. We kept the faith. Yes. Neskati lesi lokuzana bathu bani uthi please akuthatha libolo yaya phezulu Sanyamazed. We kept the faith. Yes. Today we are the winners. Today we're motivating the whole nation. Yes. We are showing the nation that you can survive. Yes. We keep on fighting. We keep on fighting. I'm saying to all South Africans, if you want any motivator, don't listen to people. Just watch Kaizer Chiefs. Look where it's coming from. Look where we are today.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?